Hey, achoo! Huh? That little piece of shit is gone now, which means I can play more Solar Smash. Huh? Why is Jerry calling me? Whatever, I just take a phone.
Hi Vincent, it's me, Jerry, and there's another problem. I need your help.
What is it this time, Jerry?
So you remember that one hater that you killed last night for me? Guess what? There's another one.
What? Why do you have so many haters?
Dude, I don't know. These son of bitches came out of nowhere. They're just hating on me. My theory is they're probably the same person. But anyways, there's this guy. His name's just Cereal, and his profile picture is just Cereal. Well,
Okay, Jerry. You're trolling me, aren't you?
no, I'm not, and this is serious. Here, let me show you the comment.
Okay. I would like to see what it is. It can't be that bad, right? Oh, come on, not again! Show yourself, you little moron piece of shit! Wait a minute, there's no one here. But for some reason, there's this random ass bowl of cereal. Damn, kinda look tasty though. And I'm a little bit hungry, so. That is one delicious bowl of cereal. Wait a minute. I just remembered something. Oh, that bowl of cereal insult Jerry. Whatever. At least I got myself a delicious bowl of cereal, and that son of a bitch is gone. At least I can go home now and finally play Solar Smash in peace. As long as Jerry don't call me to interrupt me because there's another hater.